Sukkah, Perek Gimel, Mishnah Beis. This Mishnah discusses Hadassim, and many of the Psulim apply as they did in the previous Mishnah. Hadas HaGozel, a stolen Hadas, V'hayovesh, or if it's dry, posel, it is also posel, similar to the case of the lulav. Stolen, as we said before in the previous Mishnah, mitzvah habor ba'avera, even if the individual had given up hope, it would be a mitzvah being performed by the avera, and therefore would not be permitted. And similarly, yovesh, a dry hadas, would be possible because it would not be hoda. The Mishnah continues, Shel asheira v'shel ir hanidachas. If this hadas came from an asheira tree or branch, bush, which was being served as idolatry, this needs to be burnt, as indeed does a city which had been led astray. This hadas, the hadassim came from a city in Ir Hanidachas, and this city needs to be burnt down, and therefore it's considered as if there's no shear. The required shear, which is 3 tefachim for a hadas, is not there. Niktam roshai, if the top is removed, and Tosis Yomtov mentions, doesn't mean the top of the leaf, it means the top of the stem. If that's removed, or nifritzu olav, the leaves are missing, the majority of the leaves are not there. Oy shehoyu anovov merubais me olav. If there are more berries than leaves, it's also possible. Explains the Bartanura, what type of berries are we talking about on this hadas? If they were black, red, but if they're green, that's part of the hadas, and that would perfectly be in order. But if they were, for example, black berries, the mimiaton kosher, if they are removed, with ma'at, if they are removed so that there are now more leaves than these berries, kosher, the hadas is now kosher. However, ein mamatin b'Yom Tov. On Yom Tov, not Chol HaMoed, but on Yom Tov, it would be forbidden to remove the berries, says the Bartanura, dahavale mesakin. This would be osa because you are now remedying, you're perfecting the hadas, enabling it to be used as a kosher hadas, and therefore this would not be permitted on Yom Tov itself. That concludes Mishnah Beis.